ever heard of making money online just by copying and pasting links that you got via the internet? Sometimes you can copy and paste YouTube links, and sometimes you can just copy and paste trending news that is out there that anybody can get hold of via the internet. This is what this video is all about today. I'm going to be showing you how you can copy and paste links to use them and make money. And let me quickly say that what I'm about to show you is not one of those "it's good to be true" stories that we hear every day. No, this is purely legit. And the good news is anybody can do this and make money. If you stick with me to the end of this video, I would have shown you exactly how you can copy and paste, how you can leverage your ideas in order for you to make money online. Now, I'm not talking about just making money online. I'm talking about you making up to $500 by just leveraging the articles that you found online, like Google News. You just copy and paste those simple news articles and you make money. So stay to the end of this video and you find out that anybody can do this, irrespective of where you live. The method I'm talking about here is easy and quite straightforward. This is a method that whether you are someone who has done this before or you're someone who hasn't, you will be able to do this and make money. Now, another important thing for you to know is that you do not need to spend a dime of your own. This is free. And if you're ready, guys, just grab yourself a drink and let's go on this ride together. Okay, let's start with something really simple. Shortening news articles to earn money. Here is how it works. You take a trending Google News story or a viral YouTube video, shorten the link using platforms like AdFly or ShrinkMe, and then share it with your network or on social media platforms. Every time someone clicks on that link, you earn money. It is that easy. According to ShrinkMe's website, you can earn up to $7 for every 1,000 clicks, depending on the location of your audience. Imagine getting a trending video with thousands of potential views and clicks. It does add up quickly. Some of the link shortener platforms that you can use to do this and that pay you for this includes AdFly, ShrinkMe, and Shortest. All you need to do is sign up, grab your shortened link, and start sharing. I recommend you concentrate on platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook groups, Twitter, LinkedIn, and such platforms to share your links on. But if you're depending and concentrating on such platforms, here is the trick. Do not spam the platforms. If you do, they're going to kick you out. So whatever you're doing with such platforms, make sure you are being moderate about sharing your link. Another good tip is make sure you add value to such platforms. For instance, if you want to share your shortened link on a Facebook group, make sure you don't just go to the group and start sharing your link. Add value to that group by responding to the group members' questions. If somebody had asked a question, go out of your way to provide answer to such questions. Research and bring whatever result you have to the group. Now, in the course of you doing that, the members of the group would have been used to you. They will know that you are there to give knowledge, to give value to the group. You're not just there to share your links. That way, when you share your shortened link, they will click on it and you earn money. So this is how you can actually add value to the group that you belong to for you to add your links. As Warren Buffett once said, never depend on a single income. Make investments to create a second source. Well, I can tell you that this is a great way to start that second source. Next up, guys, let's talk about Pinterest. Did you know you can make money simply by sharing links to viral content on Pinterest? It's one of the easiest ways to drive traffic to your affiliate links or monetized blogs. According to Glassdoor, beginner Pinterest marketers can earn $200 to $500 per month. And if you're serious about building an audience, this could grow to 1,000 or more. You can create a Pinterest account for free and start creating your pin. Now, there's a platform that is so good with Pinterest pins, and that platform is Canva. When you create your free Pinterest account, find popular content like DIY tips or trending recipes and link back to affiliate products or monetized blogs. Like I said, Canva is a great tool for designing eye-catching pins for free. So if you don't have an account with Canva, just go create an account, sign up with Canva. They have two options. There is the free one and there is the paid one. Now, the free one, you can use it to create any design whatsoever. But you are a little bit limited if you want to use some templates that are meant for those that are paid customers. Now, if you decide to use Canva, bear in mind that any template you want to use that has the crown on it, that is a pro version. And that means it's for people that are paid members on Canva. Aside from that, any other template that you find on Canva that does not have the crown, you are free to use such templates and create your own design. And let me quickly say that the reason people love Canva a lot is that there are ready-made templates. All you need is just click on them and customize the way you want. Just change a few things on those templates and you can use them as well. I would recommend that if you want to start your Pinterest free account, start with a niche that you love. If you are the kind of person that loves cooking, start with that kind of niche. If you love fashion, start with fashion so that it will be easy and effortless for you to create amazing content on Pinterest. Now, once you build trust with your audience, sharing links becomes much more effective. Remember, family, wealth does not come overnight. But if you stay consistent, you will see results. Like my grandmother used to say, a little drop of water fills the pot. So keep at it, guys. So this one is unique because you'll be sharing YouTube videos on revenue sharing platforms like 7Taps or YouTube Monsters. You might want to ask, what does these platforms do? They pay you for driving traffic to the videos. Who doesn't want to earn money in this way, guys? So it is, at the end of the day, a win-win for both you, who is driving traffic to the videos, and the content creator who owns the videos. The content creator gets views for his or her videos, and you who drove traffic to the videos, you get paid for your hard work. That is why I said it is a win-win for everybody. With this format, depending on the platform, you can earn anywhere from 50 cents to $3 per 1,000 clicks. While it may seem small, the earnings grow significantly if you share multiple trending videos with large audiences. What platforms can you actually use to get this? You can use platforms like YouTube Monsters or 7Taps. You can also use Quora to share your links Not only these ones that I have mentioned, you can also share these videos in niche communities on Reddit. Focus on sharing content in communities where it's highly relevant. For example, a cooking video would do well in a food group on Facebook. Remember what they say, that poverty is the worst form of violence. And that's why we are here, to equip ourselves with tools to break out of it. So guys, do not let doubt to stop you. So finally, let's talk about using Google Trends to identify viral content. How can you do this? Google Trends helps you see what's currently trending in your region or globally. Once you find a hot topic, you can create a blog post, a social media post, or even curate content for sharing in your networks. If you monetize these links using affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Share a Sale, you can earn $100 to $500 per month easily. It's all about consistency and timing. So Google Trend is your starting point, but you will need platforms like WordPress or Medium for you to scale on this. Why do you need these platforms? You would need them to get your content to be curated. So you would need to combine this with Facebook and Twitter to get maximum reach. My recommendation here is don't just jump on any trend. Make sure you stick with topics that you are familiar with, topics that resonate with you, so that you can give maximum value to the audience. As Benjamin Franklin once said, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Google Trends is a free tool, so invest your time in learning how to use it effectively. Alright family, here we have it, 4 easy ways that you can earn money by copying and pasting links. Let me say that these 4 ways, they are not just ideas, they are opportunities. The question now is, what is stopping you from doing this and earning the money? Because you do not need money to start this. All you need is just to grab your phone, extra time on your hand, and for you to have the willingness to take action. Like, you know, so many times people hear things, but the problem is they do not take action. So if you have your phone and you have extra time in your hands and you have that willingness to take action, why don't you take that action? Before I sign off, let me leave you with this powerful quote. The key to wealth is learning how to make money while you sleep. That's what these methods can help you achieve. And remember, poverty isn't just about the lack of money. It's about the lack of ideas. You've got the ideas now, so what are you going to do with them? Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do give it a subscribe, and don't forget to like this video and click on the bell notification so that whenever I drop any content like this on how you can make money by not even investing your own money, you will be definitely notified. Now I have videos on how you can make money online that I'll be linking to this video. You might want to watch that as well. Once again, thank you for staying with me. I hope to see you next time. Stay safe and blessed. Bye.